Good morning, students. It's time for your RC class. Here is another activity for you, bird in a cage. Very simple to make and lot of fun to play with. For this activity, you need paper, color pencils, tape, scissors, any stick, and card or ruler. First of all, draw two rectangles with the help of card or a scale. Then draw a cage and a bird in the middle of each paper. You can take any kind of paper. You just have to draw the pictures, then color the pictures. You can choose colors of your choice. Our pictures are ready. Now cut out these two rectangles and paste on a stick with the help of tape or glue. So take care, you have to paste both the pictures together on one stick. Like this, one over the other. Now it's ready. Now spin the pictures with your hand and see the magic. Isn't it amazing? So children, what did you observe? When you spin the stick with your hands fast enough, the bird looks like it's in the cage. This occurs because your eyes can continue to see images even after they are not there anymore, and because you are moving it so fast. So I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you.